Kuya Walter! Hello po. Thank you, ha. I received po your, your Christmas gift. Santa Walter, thank you. Yay! Oh, what is your request po? What is your request po, ha? I'm not a good singer, ha? But I can sing. I can sing. What do you want me to sing, ha? Oh my God, it's good morning na. Good morning. Yes, thank you. Thank you po for your blessings. Santa Walter na lang or Kuya Walter, Tatay Walter. I don't know what to call you, Sir Walter. Maybe I call you Santa Walter. Yeah. From now on, I'll call you Santa Walter. Because all my Santas is here. Yes, anything is fine. Thank you po. I'll sing for you. Can I sing for you? Oh my God, I'm so shy. Nahiya ako. Nahiya po ako. Mahihain po ako. Mahihain po ako. But I can dance also. Wait lang guys ha. Ano pong gusto niyong kanta? Tagalog o English? Okay, I'll sing a song. Gusto niyo ng My Way? My Way po, My Way. Ha? Oh my God. Okay, let me sing a song. Okay, this one. This is a Tagalog song po, ha? You want Tagalog song?
Sabaw pala, ulam na.
Ganun talaga, Sir Walter. Yes, I'm so funny po. That's why I'm different to other streamer. I'm funny. I'm not sexy po. I'm not sexy, but I'm funny. Oh my God. I have no party lights, guys. I have party lights here. Sir Walter. This is the disco house. Disco house. You know, disco house. Party. Okay.